Hi everyone. The logistic regression can be applied to multi-class classification problem. It is predicting multinomial probability values. That is, if dataset is having more than two classes, it will identify multiple probability values by splitting the multi-class classification problem into multiple binary class classification problems. Then for each binary class classification problem, we can apply standard logistic regression model as we have discussed in the previous videos. It can be done by using one versus rest and one versus one approaches. First we will see one versus rest approach. Here it will take single class as a one class and remaining rest of the samples will be assumed as a class B. For example, for blue color will be assumed as a one class, then rest of the samples will be classified as a class 2, right? And like that, second sub problem, this is sub problem 1. The second sub problem, here we will take red color as a one class and remaining all samples will be classified as another class 2. So here it will take the decision boundary only the considering red class, so like this. Now then third sub problem, we will take green color as a sample 1 and rest of the samples will be considered as a class 2. So here we will take one more decision boundary like this. So here the green color is taken as a one class and remaining rest of the samples will be classified as a second class. So based upon the sub problems, one decision boundary, second decision boundary and third decision boundary gave you multiple classes. So as per this statement, we splitted the bigger problem into smaller binary class problems and applied the standard logistic regression. Then we got the multiple classes in this manner. And the next one is one versus one. In the one versus one, we will take only two classes. It will ignore the third class. For example, it will consider green class and red class. It will ignore the blue color class, so it will take the decision boundary like this. And second sub problem, this is first sub problem, the green versus and red, one versus one. Then second one, we will take red versus blue, right? When you're taking the red versus blue, the decision boundary will classify only two classes. It might be like this. So it is ignoring this green class. Here it is ignoring the class green. And the third sub problem, we may take a blue versus green. So when you are taking the blue versus green, it is ignoring the red. So you will get the decision boundary like by ignoring the red, so in this manner. So now the third sub problem considering only the blue and green. Okay, so here also you got by taking this three boundaries, one versus one, you got the class A by decision boundary 3, and class this one B by decision boundary this one, and by class G by using the decision boundary this one. So one versus one wrapper class also will give you the multi-class classification by using dividing the some bigger multi-class classification problem into binary problems. After calculating the values, you will apply the cost function here by using the binary cross entropy. Then if there is any error, you can apply the gradient descent by updating the new theta value for all the features j equal to 1 to n, and old theta value minus alpha into dou by dou theta j into j of theta. So it is explained in the binary classification by using logistic regression. You can watch that by calculating the cost function and gradient function to reduce the parameter value by applying the regularization also to know how to reduce the error in the given trained model. Thanks for watching. So finally we will get the multiple class classification in this manner, based upon one versus rest and one versus approach, by avoiding other classes. Thanks for watching.